Ever seen a rabbit turn into a tiny ninja? Watch this little furball sprint, jump, and bounce like it's on a mission. Rabbits aren't just cute. They're incredible athletes with powerful legs that can leap up to 3 feet high. This high-energy workout keeps them strong and sharp. That's why they need plenty of space to run wild every day. So when your bunny starts zooming around like this, know it's more than play. It's their way of staying happy and healthy. When a bunny runs free like this, you can see pure joy in motion. They explore, stretch, and express their natural instincts. If you love seeing bunny energy like this, hit that like button and subscribe for more adorable rabbit moments.